Good morning, children. Today we are going to do exercise in the workbook of Pinocchio. So, are you ready? Open page number 58 of the workbook. Pinocchio, text-based question. First, we will read the text-based question. Then, we are going to do the question answers. Read the extract below and answer the questions that follow. He set to work. He set to work. And as the puppet boy took the shape, the old man said, he must have a name. I will call him Pinocchio. As soon as he finished making the eyes, the carpenter was amazed to see them move. Before the mouth was made, it began to laugh. Now, this is a small extract. Extract means small passage. We have to read the passage and we have to follow the question and answers, children. Now, what it says, it talks about the carpenter who set to work. And what did he do with the piece of wood? He gave the shape of a puppet. He made a puppet boy. After that, what he did? After making the puppet boy, he gave the name, right? Everybody is having a name. So, the old carpenter thought to give the name to the puppet boy. And he gave the name Pinocchio. Now, as soon as he finished making the eyes, the carpenter was amazed, means he was surprised to see them move. What the eyes was doing? To move from here and there. And before the mouth was made, it began to laugh. What happened? It began to laugh. Okay, now questions. What did the carpenter do with the piece of wood? What did carpenter do with the piece of wood? So, the carpenter made a puppet with the piece of wood. See, you can see over here. What did he made? He made a puppet with the piece of wood. Question 2. What did he call him? The carpenter called him Pinocchio. What did he call him? The carpenter called him Pinocchio. Question 3. What happened as soon as the eyes were made? As soon as the eyes were made, eyes moved as the eyes were made. What happened? Eyes started moving here and there when it was made. Eyes moved as the eyes were made. Synonyms of amazed is impressed, surprised, touched, thrilled. So, what is the correct answer? Surprised. Antonym of laugh is cry, giggle, glad, happy. So, what it is? The antonyms of laugh is cry. Now, second paragraph. Pinocchio told him a lie, and his nose started growing longer and longer. Each time he was rude to someone or told a lie, his nose grew longer. Finally, Pinocchio said, I am glad to be a real boy. I'll never lie again. I would glad to be a real boy. I will never lie again. Now, what is the speciality of Pinocchio was? Whenever he used to say lie, so his nose used to grow longer. So, he said, I'll never say lie again. Now, question answer. Who told a lie and to whom? Who told a lie to whom? Pinocchio told a lie to carpenter. Right? Pinocchio told a lie to carpenter. Now, second, why did his nose grow longer? Why did his nose grow longer? Whenever he was rude to someone or told a lie, his nose grew longer. His nose grew longer. Who was happy and why? Who was happy and why? Pinocchio was happy because he decided that he would never lie again. Pinocchio was happy because he decided that he would never lie again. Now find the word in the extract which means the same as impolite. So we will find the word from the extract. Long, grow, lie. Long, grew, lie, and rude. So correct answer is rude. Antonym of glad is a smile, unhappy, depression, dejection. So what is the answer? Unhappy. Now short answer type questions. What did the old carpenter buy? The old carpenter bought a very queer piece of wood. What was the astonishing about this puppet? Astonishing, what was some speciality? So each time he was rude to someone or told a lie, his nose grew longer. How did Pinocchio play a trick on the carpenter? Pinocchio snatched off the carpenter's wig and put it on its head. What did Pinocchio do in the school? Pinocchio often ran away from the school. Pinocchio often ran away from the school. What did the carpenter do when he saw the Pinocchio leg was stiff? What the carpenter do when he saw the Pinocchio's legs were stiff? The carpenter taught Pinocchio how to use his leg. What happened when the legs carpenter made? It was very stiff. Stiff means वो हिल नहीं रहे थे. So to move them, he showed carpenter Pinocchio how to use it. Who promised? What promise did Pinocchio make in the end? What promise Pinocchio made in the end? Pinocchio promised that he would never lie again. What promise he did to the carpenter? That he will never lie again. Long answer type questions. Long answer type questions. Describe how the carpenter made Pinocchio's body part one after the another. How did the carpenter made Pinocchio's body part one after another? First of all, he made Pinocchio's eyes. Then he made its mouth, hands, and then its feet. First of all, he made Pinocchio's eyes. Then he made its mouth, hands, and then its feet. Understood? When the carpenter made Pinocchio, so what he made first? Eyes, then mouth, hands, and then its feet. Now, language based question. Fill in the blanks using the preposition given in the box. From, in, of, out. It was a strange piece dash wood. So what will you write? Of. What will you write? It was a strange piece of wood. As soon as the carpenter's back was turned, the puppet put dash its tongue. So as soon as the carpenter's back was turned, the puppet put out his tongue. Pinocchio did nothing dash the school. In the school. He often ran away dash school from school. So what is the answers? It was a strange piece of wood. As soon as the carpenter's back was turned, the puppet put out its tongue. Pinocchio did nothing in school. He often ran away from school. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb by selecting from those given in bracket. The old carpenter heard a little laughing voice. So heard. The old man set to work, SET. The old man named the puppet Pinocchio. The carpenter decided to send Pinocchio to school. Whenever Pinocchio told a lie, his nose grew longer. Exercise 3. Write the noun forms of the following verbs. One has been done for you. Laughing, laughter. Puzzled, puzzle. Began, beginner. Grew, growth. Decided, decision. Exercise 4. Write the antonyms of the following words: rude, polite, strange, normal, amazed, expected, long, short, stop, start, stiff, flexible, lie, truth. Now, last exercise 5. Add subject to this predicate to make meaningful sentence. We have to add subject so the sentence becomes complete. So the old carpenter used his plane on the square piece of wood. The old carpenter used his plane on the square piece of wood. 2 number, the puppet began to laugh. 3 number, Pinocchio did nothing but look for fun. 4th number, Pinocchio was glad to be a real boy. So dear children, I hope you have understood the workbook exercise. You have to write this exercise in your workbook only with neat and good handwriting. Thank you, students.